You have to take it personal. No one is coming for you. You have to do it all alone. You have to make a comeback by yourself. How long will you just stay low? How long will you remain a mediocre? How long you are just staying in your comfort zone? Get up, my friend, as soon as possible. Yes, ASAP. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Comeback isn't about leaving everything of your life. It's just about giving your utter best to become the best version of yourself. To be the best, it requires sacrifices and toils, which can be in the form of physical or mental hardships. I'm not giving you any motivational crap in this video. I'll provide you practical solutions to the problems halting you from being the best. So, without wasting any further moments, let's break it into simple stuff. Step 1. Know your current stage. That's the core of your comeback journey. If you know how much damage is done, then that can be repaired. But if you are just staying calm on your bad stuff and giving it a thumbs up by just simply ignoring it, you can never make your greatest comeback. That's why most of you fall again into that bad habits when they try to evade it. So you have to know, what are the flaws present in your daily routine, which shouldn't be there? Moving ahead, step 2, set up higher goals. I'll leave my habit of procrastination by limiting social media consumption. I'll have a good diet. I'll focus on my shape, and so on. These are some examples of little productive goals one can opt to make a comeback. Getting involved in learning some skills to earn good is also a good goal to be achieved. Goals are different for every individual. Maybe your goal is to become a school star boy, and your fellow is interested in achieving glass skin. By the way, I have made videos on that previously. Go check them out. So, focus on your goals and let other follow there. Next is kill the addiction. The only thing I need you to abandon completely, yes, completely, is the addiction. The addiction can be of anything and is very destructive. It basically limits your potentials by decreasing your mental capabilities. Your brain stops thinking beyond the matrix. By killing addiction, I doesn't mean you have to stop your gaming and co-curricular activities or just fade away from daily activities. You have to fight your past self while staying in the battlefield of present to win your future. Step 4. Ready for criticism. You can see multiple past examples where every leader and innovationists faced challenges even from their close buddies, but they take that all from front and faced them like a man, and that's why they are still being discussed. You might face people saying you have gone crazy, you are wasting time, you are doing BS stuff, and other stuff like that, but I'll say to you, shut your both ear for critics and show them your results. Soon they will ask your daily routines from you, so you just have to move on consistently. Step 5. Be disciplined. The last important point is the discipline. This is the thing that helps you achieve all the above mentioned stuff. Getting up at the fixed time and doing all the essentials on regular basis is what I call discipline for a struggling guy. Having a plan for achieving a goal plus the discipline is just a shortcut to success. Yes, a shortcut to success. Okay, now to summarize the whole stuff in one line. Know your weaknesses, set high goals, and give your best to achieve them by killing addiction, facing criticism, and becoming disciplined. I hope you found this video interesting. Subscribe me for more self-improving content. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Good luck.